It's us against us. Always is. What's the version we want to carry? Who are the people we represent? That's our identity.
We got to go full gas. Keep the tempo quick. People want to see it. I don't know. Could be wrong, but that's what I feel. It's like, we want to see that. We want 100 miles an hour football. Might not be perfect. Nothing's ever perfect anyway. This is how I like the game. I adore this game. I adore this game. We're going all out. We're going all out. We ain't sitting back. This is us. This is who I am. This is what my coaching staff are. It's what the players are. So, why not? Why not? But to me, this is what I like. And I hope the fans like it. That's what I love about our game. And that's what I love about this group of players. That's what I love about this Wales.